students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. Our next question is on dividing this cubic polynomial by a polynomial g of x. Question and reminder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So from Euclid's division algorithm, one thing we know is p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So we are supposed to find g of x. So g of x is equals to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now p of x we know, this is our p of x. R of x we know, this is our r of x, and this is our q of x. We'll put all the values here and we can find g of x. So p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and minus r of x, minus times r of x, which is minus 2x plus 4 divided by q of x, which is x minus 2, which is x minus 2. Now this is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus minus plus 2x minus plus minus 4 divided by x minus 2. So this is equals to x cube minus 3x square x plus 2x plus 3x 2x minus 4, it is minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So we will divide this polynomial with x minus 2. So let's use the long division method. Long division method is, we will start with x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus minus 2, and we will divide this by x minus 2. Our remainder should come 0 and our quotient will be our g of x. So we will divide. So we are supposed to eliminate x cube and we have x here. So we will multiply x with x square. We will get x cube and x cube is eliminated. Now this will multiply with minus 2 as well. So we will get minus 2x square and plus, correct? Now minus 3x square plus 2x square, it will be minus of x square and plus 3x minus 2. Now we are supposed to eliminate minus x square and here we have x. So x will multiply with minus x, we will get minus x square. So minus x square and plus, and this is eliminated. Now minus x will multiply with minus 2. So this will become plus 2x, and again negative sign, 3x minus 2x will be x and minus 2 will come as it is. So again minus 2, we need one time, right? We'll write this multiplied by 1 directly here. So this will be x minus 2, and with negative side this entire thing will be eliminated. So we'll get remainder as 0, and this will be our g of x. So our g of x will be x square minus x plus 1. This is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.